Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happening here in southern Utah, and today I'm back in downtown St. George where there's always something new going on. We recently just had the Ironman World Championships that was centered here in downtown. It generated over $40 million of economic impact for southern Utah. The foot traffic down here was really cool during that, and as things continue to be built here, there's more and more foot traffic happening in downtown. Today we're going to talk about restaurants, we're going to talk about the county building, some renovations. There's a lot going on. Look forward to showing you, so let's get started. First up, we'll start right in the heart on Main Street, where we've got a couple new things in the works. 25 Main, like I mentioned in my last video, is no longer there. A new restaurant that is coming in. I can't say names yet. It's a barbecue place though, and I'm really excited for it. They've cleared out the inside, hoping to have everything done through the city, and looking to be open sometime this summer. Along with that, we've got the old Righties Building. I don't have any specifics here other than they've cleared this one out as well. I know something will be replacing it. As soon as I have more info, I'll definitely let you know. Next up, we'll go a couple streets west over to 200 West across from Metcalf Mortuary. We've got in the apartment building 2 new businesses. The first being Black Tea Golf Club. It's an indoor golf simulator with a lounge. It's 24/7 access for private members. So indoor in a golf community like this, I think is going to do really well. Next to that, we've got Gun Chiropractic. It's currently under construction. I don't have a time frame yet, but they should be open in the next couple months. Now just west from there, 1 street over, we've got Invisible Bead Extensions, which has taken over where Dixie Nutrition used to be, as well as the building next to it. They are a creator of extensions. They have programs that teach artists all over the world. Really cool business here in southern Utah that's doing a lot of big things. Look forward to having them right here on St. George Boulevard. Now we'll come back east over off of 100 East. In between there and the parking garage, we've got Birdie's Golf Lounge, which is another simulator indoor lounge. You can pay as you go or have memberships, and they have recently opened the last couple weeks as well. And just crossing 100 East from there into the city center complex, we've got Amore Med Spa, which has also recently just opened in between Supply and Demand, Barbershop, and Dixie Bowl. Now we'll talk about all the big construction happening on this block that's centered on the new Washington County office building. As you can see, it is in the works. They're hoping to be done by the end of October, early November. And then from there, they will start the shift of all the departments that are currently in the other buildings into this new one. A lot of the departments are currently set up in the 2 buildings that are right here on 200 East, along Tabernacle as well as along the Boulevard. They will shift over into the new building. And then from there, the Justice Court will be getting their building renovated. And in that time, they will be going into the old county building. From there, we've got the parking structure that's in between the 2 old buildings that's currently being constructed as well. And then there will be future things happen with the other 2 buildings that I don't have any information on just yet. But this whole block will be transformed. I know a lot of people are really looking forward to it. Can't wait to see it finished. Now just southeast from there, we've got a really important project that's just wrapping up and set to open June 1st, and that is Stepping Stones Daycare. It's Switchpoint's latest addition to their vision of defeating homelessness. It's a 24/7 childcare facility, the first of its kind in southern Utah, and will provide, like I said, 24/7 access to people in need, and I know is going to be a huge, huge addition to our community. And lastly, I'll briefly touch on a couple of renovations happening here downtown. The first being Dixie Palms Hotel that was demolished a couple months back. They do have plans in the works there. I don't have anything confirmed just yet, but hoping to have some information soon. The other one being the other hotel that was more recently demolished here in the last month or so, right next to Ancestor Square. That one is going to go up for proposal through the city. It could be mixed use, it could be a hotel, it could be more restaurants. Don't really know what's going on there yet, but really looking forward to seeing what comes of that. And then of course the LDS Temple renovation, which has been in the works for some time now. They're progressing nicely. I don't have a set date yet, but I do know that they're nearing completion. And I know a lot of people are looking forward to having that reopened. And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, that was a lot of information, a lot of stuff going on here downtown. It's really just becoming more of a place where you can come, hang out, eat, walk around, and really enjoy downtown St. George. For more info on what's happening in Southern Utah, you can call me or text me 435-668-7293, or find me on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Thanks, guys.